Hello, today we will guide you through how to set up interactive brokers alerts. In this walkthrough, we'll start from the Client Portal home screen, open the Notifications area, and adjust the settings so you receive the alerts you want. I'll point out what to look for on each screen and share quick tips to help you avoid common hiccups. Begin on the dashboard, also called Home, inside the Interactive Brokers Client Portal. This is the main landing page after you sign in, where you see your account overview and recent activity. From here, move your attention to the top right corner of the page. You're looking for the notification bell icon. If there are unread items, you may see a small badge on the bell. That's your cue that messages or alerts are waiting. Click the notification bell to open the notifications panel. This panel is where recent messages appear, but it also provides a direct route to manage how alerts are delivered. Look for the link to notification settings and select it. This takes you from simply viewing alerts to controlling them. On the settings screen, choose the Settings tab if it isn't already active. This tab lists the available alert and message categories along with on-off controls. Take a moment to scan the list so you understand what each category covers. You may see entries that act as examples or samples of how alerts behave. These are helpful for confirming that toggles are working the way you expect. Now identify the category you want to enable and switch its toggle to on. Turning this on means the system will start sending that type of alert to you. If you see options that describe delivery preferences, such as in-app, email, or mobile push, use them to align alerts with how you prefer to be reached. If you're unsure, start with in-app notifications and adjust later once you see how often messages arrive. Finally, find the Marketing Notifications category and turn its toggle to on if you'd like to receive news, product updates, and promotional announcements from interactive brokers. This is optional, so enable it only if those communications are useful to you. That's it. You've navigated from the dashboard to the notification bell. Open Notification Settings, review the Settings tab, and enable the alert categories you need, including marketing notifications. Going forward, new messages will appear under the bell icon, and you can revisit the same settings page anytime to fine-tune your preferences.